Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jesselyn again. Today's video I am going to show you on how to make turon. What is turon? Turon is consists of banana and the Filipino lumpia. We call it lumpia, but here in America is an egg roll wrapper. But in the Filipino, this is called a lumpia wrapper. I'm going to show you what kind of banana I use to make turon. Turon is a kind of Filipino dessert. So this is the wrapper that I am going to use. It says here, Filipino lumpia. Alright. So this is a kind of banana that you are going to find in the store. In Filipino, we call this a cardaba or saba. Saba banana. You are lucky if you can find this in the store. I can find this in once in a while in the store. So, but it is expensive here. So I have already some here. I made already some here, but I am going to show you how you're gonna do it. Okay. So you peel off the banana like this. 5 banana, $3.69. Gentle with it because it's very delicate. This is how it looks. So our oil is ready. Done cooking my turon, so I am going to let my baby eat and my husband. Let's see if they like it.
Yeah. What? Hey.
Per month, one for you and another to share, and $250 when you swear.
It's super yummy. I love it.
Oh wow! Hot. I'm gonna try this, the one that I cooked first. Oh, it's stick onto this. How it looks like. I have some bite.
Good?
It is crispy, and then the banana is just melting in your mouth. Very good.
It's not the regular ones that you buy.
I'm going to give one to my husband. Let's see if he likes to eat that. The turon. This is Filipino snacks. We call that turon.
Turon?
Turon.
Is it good?
How do you think? It tastes really good.
It's very good.
Yeah.
What's in it?
Banana. And then the lumpia wrapper.
That's it?
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Why? What?
Oh,
You
I
fry
put little sugar in it on top. Just
Oh, okay.
sprinkle the sugar while it's cooking.
Okay.
He likes it. Usually my husband doesn't like my cooking, but this turon, he likes it.
If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!
Thanks for watching guys, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell.